welcome back to my channel Miles on Bike. First of all, I would like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel, and our channel has reached 100 plus subscribers from the past 1 weeks of time. I'm really happy about it, and going forward I will be giving you more content and more videos. And thanks for the support and love which you guys are giving us to our channel, which means a lot to us. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about a GPS system which will be really helpful for mid-weight vehicles, also big vehicles. So today I'm going to talk about one lap GPS system. I'll just show you. Come close, I'll just show you. So I'll show you first the GPS device where I have installed. So guys, this is the GPS device which is called One Lap. So they have multiple variants as well, not only for bikes, also for cars as well. They have the GPS system. So this is the one which comes with 1 year internet service for free, and later after a year you need to purchase recharges for each and everything. So what I have done is I have installed it here. I was telling you, so you will be getting an application once you purchase the product. So this is the application One Lap. So once you registered, you will be getting this application. So this is how the display will be. So here we have 3 options: engine access, anti-theft, and set safe zone location. So what these 3 options are, I'll just tell you. So anti-theft is nothing but, say for example, as I told you earlier, if I park my vehicle somewhere outside and I have gone a bit far, so I want to know the location, or somebody is using my bike or trying to steal my bike. So that time I'll get a notification. I'll just show you. So as you guys can see, this is what I'll get on my mobile when somebody is trying to on my vehicle or try to push the vehicle. So currently I am there, so I'll say no, it's me. So this is what the special feature which they are given along with the app. And plus you have the engine access as well. So say for example someone tries to tamper the key and they take it and run away. So how to catch them? So what I can do is I can go here to engine access and just turn off the engine. So it's as simple as that. And the last one, set safe zone. It's nothing but, for example, I stay in Chamrajpet. So I can set a safe zone where I feel the bike is very safe. So what I can do is I can set a safe zone over here. So this is one option. And also you can track the speed, also how much distance you have covered, and everything you can track in one single app. So it's very useful and very beneficial as well for each and every biker. So I would definitely suggest everyone to purchase this product. So I'll leave the link in the description. You can just check it out. And also come here, I'll just show you how the wiring and how to, it's very easy. You can only do it all by yourself. But when you buy the pack, you will get the diagram and everything. But I'll just show you the simple way what to do, how to install and everything. Earlier, this is the device and this is the wiring which I have given. So it comes in 2 parts. So here's the plug out. Okay, so what you can do is you can connect it directly over here, and they have also given a fuse. So if anything electrical work goes wrong, so the fuse will take all that electricity burst. So they are given 4 wires. Unfortunately I have cut down the yellow, which is not required, but you will get orange, red and black one. Okay, so I'll tell you which are the where and all it will go. Okay, so stay with me guys. Okay, so guys, as I was telling you, so these are the 3 wires which come out. So what I have done is the orange and the red I have connected directly to the ignition, and the black, what I have done is, so here what I have done is I have given the black wire which I was telling you. So what I have done is I have removed this bolt and I have inserted the wire inside it and tightened it. So it becomes a earthing point. So now what happens whenever I on the ignition, so guys, as you can see, I got a notification once I turned on the ignition key. So what it shows is when I have on the key, or if I have reached a safe zone, I'll get a notification similar to this. And when somebody is trying to steal the bike or tries to do something with the bike, I'll get a same kind of a notification. And plus it will also show you which are the places you have gone on that particular day. And plus you can also select which date you want to check. For example, say Friday, I'll select OK, and you can see I had been to these many places. And you can also play and check. So as you can see, this red dot, that is the GPS system which is installed in my bike, and it's showing me which are the places it has gone and which is come back to which place. So this is one major update, major benefit what you will get in this application. So today's video was all about the GPS system which I had installed on my bike. I hope it will definitely help you guys as well. If you plan to buy one, I'll leave the link in the description. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, and also hit the bell icon to get notification on my upcoming videos. Thank you.